Hello friends, good evening. A very warm welcome to Guru Seva Guruvar. Once again, it's Thursday and once again I'm right here at 5 p.m. Yes, I do look forward to my evenings with you. I'm sure some of you must be looking forward to this as well. So for those who are joining in for the first time, I'm Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar. I'm a physician and also an energy healer, and I embrace a lot of energy healing techniques like angel therapy, Reiki, automatic writing, and Akashic records reading, karmic cord cutting, chakra balancing, amongst a lot others. Hey, good evening Bhavna Puri, good evening Shona Kare Bhatnagar. I think I am unable to read this name, it's written in some other language, but whosoever is wishing me good evening to you. So yes, thank you so much Bhavna Puri for looking forward. Even I too, I hope you are well now and everything's settled. So before I start the session, I want to say that Navratri is just round the corner, and I feel so blessed that today on Saiji's day, on Thursday, I am going to talk a little bit about Navratri Naman. That is the program that we are offering from 16th to 25th of October. Hey Anu Yadav, good evening. Thank you so much for joining in. So Navratri Naman is it's a series from 16th to 25th. Every day through WhatsApp, every day in the morning, I will be posting the knowledge session for Durga Ma. And yes, there will be an aura cleansing exercise as well. And on Ashtami, that is on Ashtami of the Durga Puja, Navratri, we are going to do a Japmala together from 4 to 5 p.m. In that, of course, along with the Japmala, there will be a small meditation on invoking Durga Ma as well. So whosoever is interested, do join in. You'll find all the details. Hey Shreem Ganpati, thank you so much for joining in from Nairobi. Hi Seed, good evening. Thank you so much for taking out time. Hi Sharifa, thank you so much. I really liked that personal message that you sent me if I would be there at 5 p.m. Be assured, I will always be there for Guru Seva every Thursday at 5 p.m. But thanks so much. It makes me feel so warm and so happy. Yeah. So yes, whosoever wishes to join our Navratri Naman program from 16th of October to 25th of October, you may please look up for all the details that are on this page. Yeah. Hi Ranjit Deshpande, thank you so much for joining in. I know by chance maybe you have just dropped in on this page, but I consider it so nice and so lucky because today is Saiji's day, and knowing you, I'm sure growing up in Aurangabad, so much of Shirdi, we have visited Shirdi so many times. It's so important. Yeah. Hey Advocate Jagdeep, good evening. Hi Urmeet. Yes, so let us begin our today's session without delay. Hi Urmeet Kaur, hi Zoe Bola. Yes, nice to see you too. Thanks for logging in. I know managing time zones is difficult, but still thanks so much. So let's begin as we always do by a small prayer. We can put our right palm on our heart chakra and take a nice deep breath in. Breathe in deeply and visualize a beautiful ball of green light expanding in your chest. And slowly exhale out all the stress, all the tensions, all the thoughts for the day. Once again, take a nice deep breath in, and when you do this time, ask yourself, which is the question for which you need guidance today? Which is the question that you need guidance for today, and slowly exhale out. Hey Champa Chameli, good evening. Join in. This is the last breath that we are taking for the question. So, final time, take a nice deep breath in and ask yourself the question, and slowly as you exhale, be assured that you will know the question that needs attention today. Yeah, and you may start writing, and I am here with my angel cards. Let's see what the angels have to guide you. Yes, Sharifa Bola, is there anything I need to know about my husband moving back? I'm just confused. He is like a stranger, and I've been feeling very heavy and depressed. Okay, so there's a lot gamut of emotions there and a lot of questions, but let's ask the angels what exactly, if there is anything that you need to know, or how to operate, and what is the blockage. Yeah, so a card for Sharifa Bola. So Sharifa Bola, this is a good time. This is a good time to talk to him, to try and understand what exactly he has in mind. So he's not going to hide anything from you. So I understand that he's moved in with you back again after a long time and after such a big tussle. It's going to be difficult, but trust me, he is there for good. He is trying to be responsible, he's trying to be very practical, and he's trying his best to once again fit in and make this family a happy family. So do not doubt that intention. At the same time, the advice that is coming forth for you is that confidently accept all opportunities that are being offered by your husband to regain that happy times, or sort of re-establish that warmth and love in your relationship. Yeah, so yes, that is what the card says. So best of luck, go ahead. Yes, Anu Yadav, hi, I miss every time. Hope you will be able to guide me this time. Oh, I'm so sorry if you miss every time. But yes, every time I'm here, I generally say I'm here from 5 to 5:30, but I never finish before 50 minutes. I nearly, overshoot time. My intent is to answer as many questions. But in case you ever miss it, so there's always another Thursday, or you can always book up a private consultation. Yeah. So yes, what's your question? As I have never used this before, could you please check my cards for guidance? Absolutely. Let's ask the angels. The beauty about angel cards is that they're all linked to various archangels, and archangels are always around us. We just need to ask them for guidance. So Anu, the thing is that there are a lot of things that are going on in your life at this moment. There are a lot of plans, or a lot of things, or some things that you need to decide, and some you have already decided that it should be like this or it should be like that. But the card that is coming is that this is not the right time for you to take those decisions, or any of the decisions that you've already taken. Your plans definitely need to be looked into once again. Your plans do need revision. There is a lot of things. So your mind is just buzzing with a lot of things. Probably you're totally pulled in so many directions. So yes, take a break, maybe after 1 week. 1 week is a good time. The guidance is coming that you should wait for 7 days, Anu Yadav, before really deciding and moving forward with whatever you have planned. Yeah, so best of luck from our side. Hi Ratna ji, thank you so much. Such a pleasure to know that you're watching us. Thank you so much. Thanks for your blessings. Hi Stella Matthew, good evening. Thank you so much for the compliment, Anu Yadav. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Bhavna Puri, please help me with the guidance coming from my guides for the next few months. Okay, Bhavna Puri, let's understand that angel cards, they always have this in mind, that there is something called as a free will. Okay, so whenever there is a free will, please understand we should never go beyond 4 months. Okay, and take a small pie at a time. But since you've asked for a few months, let us see what is the general guidance, or what exactly do your angels want you to keep in. Yes, so what's happening is that you are in a very, very emotional state at this moment, Bhavna Puri, and a lot of memories from your history or from your past are cropping up, from your childhood, or you might have had certain issues in your childhood, maybe some friends, some relatives. So they are all cropping up, and they are making you very emotional, or they are very overwhelming. Yes, but what, the card says that you need to really move ahead from that, and you need to think about the solid, the tangible things. What is gone is gone. You need to put the past behind, and you need to move ahead. And Bhavna Puri, a lot of abundance is there. You have certain new ideas in your mind, you have certain new plans in your mind, you've formulated certain things that yes, this is the sort of routine I should have, this is the sort of job I should have, or this is the way my house should be, this is the way my child should be, and you have certain plans on how to make them happen. So please go ahead with them, because that is exactly what you need to do. That is the guidance that is coming for the next few months. Yeah, it's an emotional time for you right now, but you will be moving on from those things to more concrete things. Yes, so best of luck. Yes, hi Zoe Bola. Hi doctor, I have a meeting on Sunday with someone who has been trying to help me with a good job opportunity. Do you have any guidance for me? Yes, let's ask the angels. I'm sure they do have some guidance for you. So guidance for Zoeb regarding a job opportunity that might come upon. Yes, so the card says that yes, you should take a leap of faith and you should definitely move ahead because the opportunity is going to be good and there might be something very unexpected, a great unexpected opportunity that might come, which might also somewhere gel with what exactly you've been wanting to do. So yes, that is one. But the second thing that is coming is that whenever there is a meeting, see, I tried to pull out one card and there was this another card that popped up. So yes, we never ignore whenever angels try to pitch in. So that another card that has come that also says that there might be a lot of unexpected opportunities. You might have to defend your ideas and you might have to defend your beliefs. So please do that. Please do that. You'll have to stand up for yourself very passionately. You'll have to defend what you want to say, what you believe in, your value system and everything else. And you need to choose your battles wisely because there are going to be a lot of opportunities, a lot of things. So you need to really think what you need to do and what not to do. At the same time, if something doesn't really feel right at that moment, trust me, whomsoever you are meeting, whatever the meeting is going to be, they're going to be impressed because it would be like seeds well planted. So be very clear that whatever is going to happen on Sunday is a win-win situation. There might be some pause in action. Maybe, everything might go well and they might say, okay, fine, we'll get back, and they might not get back for a time. But that's absolutely fine. You have planted your seeds well. So this Sunday meeting is going to be good. Go all out for it and give your best, defend your beliefs. They might question you, but yes, just go ahead with it. Yeah. So best of luck for the Sunday. Hi Mukesh Kumar, good evening. Yes. Hi Nikki Grewal, good evening. Just 1 second. Any guidance from my angels? Absolutely, Nikki Grewal. Let's just ask your angels what exactly they want to guide you for today. Yeah. So any guidance for Nikki Grewal? Yes, so Nikki, the guidance that comes out for you is that you need to really focus. There is a lot of scattered emotions, scattered thoughts. A lot of things are happening and you're like here and there and there and there, and you're managing a lot of things. And you're very practical, you're very ambitious, you're very highly motivated, you're charismatic, you really know how to get things done, which you are. But the point is that a leader doesn't need to do everything. If you are a king or a queen, you don't do everything. You probably just direct people with your ideas, with your, as they say, command is probably not the right word, but you can direct them to do something. So you need to communicate with a lot of vision and be the leader that you actually are. And yes, you might feel bogged down by all the responsibilities and everything that you're doing. So please feel free to take advice from somebody creative. Now for that, I think I definitely need to tell you to keep something called as a smoky quartz with you. Yeah. So a smoky quartz is a very pretty crystal which can really help you in being able to communicate with focus and basically have in the sense be the leader that you are, because there are a lot of underlying things that keep on hampering your growth. At the same time, if you're looking at your throat, there is a beautiful soda light here, so you can, for your throat chakra, you can keep it so that whatever you communicate with vision. At the same time, you are able to communicate perfectly as to what the other person needs to do. Yes, so best of luck. So Mr. Mukesh Kumar, I'm not a numerologist. I do not really take in the date of births. I really don't know how to work with numerology. I do the angel cards. So if you have any question, you can simply put your question and I will try my best to answer it through the guidance from the angels. Yeah. Hey Stella Matthew, thank you so much for taking out time and joining in the evening. Any message from my father or brother? Father Lieutenant Nadi Matthew or Lieutenant Himanshu John Matthew, as I see them every day in my dreams. Okay, so let's look up your father, since you've named him first. Lieutenant Nadi Matthew. Okay, they are saying that there are certain opportunities that are going to present to you in terms of job or in terms of new ventures. So you need to really go all out and pick them up. So there will be some opportunities and they will come through friends. So please be in connect and communication with your friends, because some very good opportunities are going to come. And yes, you will have to really work very passionately and dedicatedly towards making those opportunities a big success. Yeah, I hope this answers your question. Yes, Ritika Sarkar. Hello, Dr. Aditi. You're looking lovely today. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I was just thinking there's a question, and I was, trying to read the question, and here a compliment pops in. Thank you so much. All Sainji's grace today, Ritika. Today is his day. Yes, Seet Marotra, please ask the angels to guide us to what is the blockage in finances and how to overcome it. Okay, so let's ask the angels what is the blockage in finance for Seet Marotra. Okay, so the thing is that you are having a lot of fears. You are holding on to a lot of fears, and you know what, this negative thoughts, or even after 10 positive thoughts, if you have that one negative thought and you hold on to it, it has probably more power than those 10 positive thoughts. So please release all the fears. Just know that you can just surrender yourself to the universe and know that the universe is going to really take care of you. There are a lot of things, there are a lot of options, there are a lot of opportunities that are there, but they are right now, you are not really aware of them. The universe is working its magic. At the same time, there are people who are working behind your back to pull you down, but trust me, this is just a phase. It's just going to pass. What you can just do is there are these chunks of rock salt that you get. I mean, there are very beautiful lamps also made up of these rocks. What happens is, there are times when we are thinking and thinking and thinking. As I said, we are thinking 10 beautiful thoughts, and that one negative thought takes so much space हमारे पूरे ज़हन में, इतनी जगह बना देता है कि probably it takes up more space than anything. So these rock salt chunks, if you keep them in your room, wherever you are most of the time, they will absorb all the negativity, and you'll see them melting also. So try to keep it in your own house, in your own room, where you are most of the time, where you do your thinking or you do your praying, and I'm sure these negativities will float away, and the blockage of your fears and everything will be absorbed by this stone, and I'm sure the financial blockage will release very, very soon. Yeah. At the same time, there's another thing that I can always share with you, and you can do. So there's this beautiful stone called pyrite. It actually, I don't know if you can see, it really gleams like gold. Yeah. So look up for the southwest direction in your house, Vastu, and in the southwest direction you can keep this small pyrite crystal, or a bigger chunk. The size and the crystal, you really need to go and see. Whatever you like it, in the southwest zone, if you put it, they say it helps in increasing the inflow of the wealth, at the same time also consolidating your wealth. So try pyrite. Yes, best of luck. Yes, Dr. Ratna Pandey. Hi doctor, have I corrected the errors in my book launch, and am I going in the right direction now? Oh God, Ratna ji, when you ask such a question, I feel so small. I mean, you are such a meticulous lady. You have so much of knowledge. How can you go wrong, So that's my human mind speaking. You have asked a question, and yes, whenever you ask something, it becomes more so special to me. So yes, let's ask the archangels if you are ready for the book launch. Absolutely, Ratna ji. The card is a king of air, you are, so whatever you are feeling, this is all in your mind. There is nothing really. What you've corrected all the errors, and your book is absolutely going to be bang on, and you are going in the right direction. All you need to do is speak your mind absolutely with confidence. Do not mince any words. Do not feel that, oh God, मैं ये नहीं बोलती या मैं वो नहीं बोलती, I should not say this, or whatever. Do not get into, because you are absolutely brilliant, professional, and you are also very impartial. So you've done your job in a very क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बहुत justice से आपने काम किया है. The only thing is that probably you are very emotional, or you are थोड़े से आप बहुत इमोशनल हो गए हो, या थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो इस बारे में. So yes, balance is needed. A little bit of balance is needed. So yes, grounding, rooting. Please do it, Ratna ji, because that's going to really help you. At the same time, the guidance that is coming is, though you are brilliant, the job is brilliant, but at the launch or just after the launch, there might be a certain problem. So you should definitely seek professional advice on how to really go about it and how to really position it, because that is the only thing. Otherwise, it's a brilliant piece of work, and it's going to do really, really well. Yeah, you're going in the absolute right direction. So just look up for the professional advice for the further things. Yeah. So best of luck. Harpreet Bar, hello ma'am, please read my aura. Okay. So Harpreet, I think it is your upper shoulders that I'm bothered about. कभी कभी हमारे दिल और दिमाग में लड़ाई होती है और हमें समझ नहीं आता हम किसकी सुने. सो हरप्रीत ब्रा, दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग टू यू, एंड यू ऑल्सो फील a lot responsible for certain things or certain people who जिनके लिए ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती. Like for example, we always feel that if we don't do this, nobody will do it, or if we are unable to do this, no one can do it and nothing can happen. जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. We all know we are indispensable. कोई और हमारी जगह वो काम कर लेगा, शायद थोड़ी तकलीफ से शुरू में, शायद थोड़ी दिक्कत से, लेकिन वो काम हो जाएगा. सो हरप्रीत, द problem is in your upper shoulders mainly and in your thighs. So look up your insecurities, look up where is it that you are clogging your aura. So these are the two spaces which are really, really bad as of now. What you can simply do is, you look up a red coral, a red jasper, and hold it very close to your heart, or you can keep it with you whenever you are outside or on the bedside when you are at home. At the same time, you can also take a walk in the greens, take a walk on the grass. You can walk barefoot on the grass, or you may try and wear a lot of red colored clothes, drink red juices, or have carrots and bell peppers, anything red. Red is going to really, really help you tide over what is there. Yeah, so best of luck from our side. Yes, Ritika Sarkar, any message from my husband Siddharth Roy? Has he crossed over? Just write that to me, and then we'll take it forward. One second. So, Ritika, yes, I think I remember this now. One second. Siddharth Roy. Okay, Ritika, are you being overtly sensitive these days? I think you're being overtly sensitive these days, and that's what the message is coming through to me automatically. The moment I moved ahead, there was some trickle in my psychic, knowledge, in my psychic arena, that yes, probably you're becoming too emotional these days. So please, Siddharth Roy is advising that try and balance yourself. Please do not be so emotional, because this is simply some time, and do not probably get pulled into the past things. Maybe you are looking up the past a lot, or you are getting agitated by the past or something that reminds you. So please kind of wean away from it and look at the positive side of things, or look up your positive things. Music is one of them that I am getting the news. Yeah, I hope this helps, Ritika Sarkar. Yes, Urmeet, so grateful to have learned Reiki under your guidance. Thank you so much, Urmeet. It's my pleasure entirely. Doing it regularly these days. That's nice. Can you check my aura reading and see if see for blockages in my chakras? Okay. Urmeet, I think you definitely need to look up your Hara chakra and your solar plexus. That is the chakra below the navel and above the navel, because these two places are the places where there is a maximum blockage. And I think if you've been doing, then there is definitely a release happening. So yes, I think you need to drink a lot of water, 3 to 4 liters of water every day, a lot of lemon and kala namak ka pani. That would also do you a lot of good. At the same time, if you are not cleansing your aura regularly, I would again remind you of this selenite wand, which is one of my very favorite tools to clean the aura. You can just from top to bottom, from your head to toe, and then tap it on the floor. You can just do this 3 times, from the front, then on the left side, back, and the right. And you can, to charge it, you can just hold it like this and press it, and this selenite wand can clear off. So I think you definitely need to clear your aura. At the same time, look up the Hara chakra and the solar plexus. And you know Reiki, so honestly I don't really need to advise you on how to go about cleansing your chakras. Yes, so best of luck. Yes, Geeta Madhnani. Yeah, I'm so sorry, friends, if I by chance pronounce your names, in a wrong fashion. That's not the intent. It's just that sometimes it happens and I'm unable to read it properly. Yeah, so a general reading for Geeta. Yes, yes, Geeta. So, if you wished for anything that you wanted to turn out true, this is the time that is going to make all your wishes come out true. All your concerns are going to fade away. It's going to be a very, very lovely time. What I can see is a lot of prosperity, a lot of abundance, and at the same time, what I see is you are at your nurturing best. You are at, you're really emotionally involved with your family, with your friends, with your work, whatever you are doing, and it's going to come back manifold. That love is going to come back manifold, and yes, you are going to have a very, very good time, a very happy time, a successful time. Your wishes do come true. Yes, so best of luck. Yes, Shrim Ganpati, thank you so much for taking out time. You were the first one today to say hi, and it's really nice that sitting so far away. I think that is the beauty of Facebook or the net. The distances have faded away, right, Shrim Ganpati? Yes, you need to have a financial guidance. Yes, let's ask the angels what exactly they wish for you. Oh, so it's going to be a very good time. The card that has come out is an exceptionally good card. So yes, this is a card for financial abundance. In fact, you will have a lot of gains, at the same time tangible gains, not something like nothing in kind, Shreem. You are definitely going to build something very, very worthwhile, and you're going to be very, very happy at doing that. At the same time, you are also going to spend some time, or some of your abundance. It can be money, it can be a thing as well. You can distribute it. You might be distributing it to laborers or to hungry people. You're going to feed people, that I can see definitely, and that's going to do a lot of good to you. So yes, you are really, it's a financially abundant time. This is a good time to think about finances. If you have any plans that you want to put into action, this is a good time. Just go ahead and start with a bang. Yeah. Yes, Ratna ji, I got your question and I answered it as well. But if you feel that there's some loophole, you can always call me and we can definitely sit and do it. So nothing to worry, Ratna ji, on that. Yeah. Geeta Madnani, last time you didn't pick up my question, ma'am. Oh my god, Geeta, let me tell you, I never pick up any question. I just go with the flow, I just scroll, and my time generally, as I said, is from 5 to 5:30, but I always shoot it up. You can go and look at my previous videos. There are times when I end up spending nearly an hour. Yeah, so it's never my choice. It's all karma, Geeta. ये सब कर्म होता है, जिसका आना होता है वो आ जाता है. मैं किसी को चूज नहीं करती. Yeah, I am here to do Guru Seva for Sai Ji as my respect for him. And trust me, जब कोई गुरु सेवा करने बैठता है, at least मैं जब बैठती हूँ, so I just value every person who's here, जिनका मैंने आंसर किया है या नहीं किया है. My gratitude for joining in, for that you have joined and taken out time of your life for this. But please understand, I never pick up any questions. Whatever question comes in front, I definitely answer it. Yeah. So अपने मन से ये मैल निकाल दे, please. Yes, Ridhima Jain, good evening. Hi ma'am, I have a very important result expected on 17th. I am very anxious and seeking from my guides the guidance. It's affecting my health as well. I am sure it must be. Just let us look it up. What exactly are you looking at? Yes, so the card that has come out is that you are going to have stress-related health concerns because you are thinking too much about it and you are so involved in that thought process about what will happen. Please understand that life is going to take its own path, and you definitely, need for a, there is a definite need for a balance and moderation. You have to understand that at the end of everything, whatever result is going to come out, you will have to put yourself in God's hand, because He is the one, the Almighty is the one who is running each and every one of our lives. So yes, please do not worry, please do not allow life to get out of balance, because it is going out of balance. But at the same time, please understand that, just one second, please also understand that yes, there is a high chance that 99% I must say, because 1% is all in the Lord's hand. 99% your wish is going to come true, and please allow all the concerns to fade away. The love of your life is going to be right around you. Yeah, Ridhima, and we are going to wait here to know the result as well with bated breath. So best of luck from our side. Please do not stress so much, because I understand it's very difficult, and it's difficult for you and it's very easy for me, but yes, please take good care of yourself. Yeah. Yes, Rajji, thank you so much for joining in. I feel very nice when you always say hi and you always try and join in and ask me a question. So you want me to check your aura. Okay, so Rajji, I think it's your throat chakra and your third eye that need attention, because you are holding a lot of things that you want to say, what you speak up. So what I would actually tell you is, either you should be writing it on a paper and burning it later on, or probably the next best thing is you can probably just record it and you can delete the recording later on whenever you feel like. But yes, your throat chakra is something that really needs attention right now, along with your third eye. That is a lot of thoughts, a lot of thoughts. Yeah, so please, you can actually, if you have an amethyst, so I have this here besides me. I love my amethyst chunk. I love this stone because it really helps in toning down your thoughts. It helps you in absorbing only the positive thoughts. It helps you to sleep well. It helps you, pareshan nahi hone deta. It weans all of it away, and all the negativity just kind of floats away. So if you have an amethyst in any form, you can have it in bracelets, you can have it in, so you can have it, keep it like a small crystal chunk also, So you can get it in all forms. So whichever form you like, you may just want to keep it, but do consider having an amethyst by your side. Yes, Advocate Jagdeep Brar, any guidance for me? Yes, let's ask the angels. I'm sure the angels do have some guidance for you. They're always there to guide us. At the same time, we look at life from a very different perspective, but the angels have a very different perspective, and they have a lot of things to tell us. Yes, so Advocate Jagdeep Brar, the card that has come out urges me to tell you that this is a very rewarding and a very happy time for you and your family. You must be spending a lot of time with your family, which you should right now, because this actually is the time when you and your family can sit and enjoy the fruits of hard work and of all the efforts that you've made to make this family such a lovely family. You are going to spend time feeling the joy of trustworthy relationships that you've done, because you are a nurturer, in the sense you invest a lot of emotions, time, money in building your relationships. And this is the time, I think we are talking about the next 8 to 10 days. These next 8 to 10 days, I'm so sorry about the call. So you're going to really enjoy talking to your friends, your relatives, your family, and you're going to reminisce about the good times. Yeah, so yes, enjoy your time. Geeta, I've already answered your question, I guess. Yes, Champa Chameli, can you come my card? Yesterday was my birthday. Oh, that's nice. Wishing you a belated birthday, Champa Chameli. Let's see what the angels have to guide you on your birthday. So this is your birthday month. Okay, so you know what, Champa Chameli, the guidance that comes out for you is clear, that you need to take some time out for your own self. Probably you are spreading yourself too thin and you need to meditate, or you need to be amongst greenery and listen to your intuition, listening to your own self, because you've been actually at all the places, all over, probably with your family, with your friends, with your work, whatever is taking all of your time. So the guidance that is coming is that do not immediately say yes or no to whatever comes up, Champa Chameli. That is the guidance that is coming out for you. So take a step back. Whenever you are faced with anything, you say, okay, fine, let me think and get back, and look up, listen to your intuition, because your intuition is the one which is going to guide you very well. So belated birthday once again, and I hope this helps. Yes, sharing the Navratri Naman details. Yes, I have already shared it with everyone, and once more I would like to share the Navratri Naman details. From 16th to 25th of October, we are having the entire Navratri beautiful program for all of you, where we are going to do aura cleansing. We are also going to do a Jap Mala with Durga meditation on the Ashtami from 4 to 5 p.m. So everyone who wishes to join us, you can absolutely look up all the details on this page. At the same time, I want to say that this is not like a program every day you have to invest half an hour or 45 minutes with us on a Zoom call or a WhatsApp call. No, every day I'm going to post details early in the morning on your WhatsApp number, and yes, you can do whatever is listed. You can read in your own time and perform the rituals for prosperity whenever you feel like. Yeah, so yes, you can always look up on the page for the details. Yes, Mukesh Kumar, check my card and tell me about future. Okay, so let's look up what guidance the angels want to give to Mukesh Kumar. Yes, so the guidance that comes up is that you have to be very objective in your decision making, Mukesh ji. There are a lot of times when something comes up and you are very impulsive in your action, but no, you need to little bit, you have to be a little bit realistic and also look at the lighter side of life. कभी कभी थोड़ा सा हंस के मजाक में you lighten the whole thing, because it's not every time that you are saying a good thing, because when the person is sitting on a decision as a decision maker, you can't please everybody. You are going to say, sometimes you're going to say something that is not going to go well with the other person. So yes, you have to be a little bit witty at the same time. Yeah, so try and see the humor in a situation and try to make things nicer, simpler for the other person. At the same time, please do away with all the things that do not serve you anymore. Yes, so yes, that's that. Yeah, Ratna ji, yes, it's looking good. Absolutely. Pratiksha Rama, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the compliment. It's really nice. I was like, okay, in capitals. Ratna ji, yes, I got your question and I did answer it. And yes, I mean, if you want me to repeat, the thing is that you are going, you can continue to move forward. Just take professional advice, because yes, after the launch of your book, maybe you might face some problems, but yes, you'll have to scroll a little up to get the entire reading. Yes, Pratiksha Rama, general reading, please. Yes, just a minute. Let me just shuffle the cards. It's very important to shuffle the cards, because by doing this, we release the energy of the past question. Hey Shardul Bhere, thank you so much for taking out time. Or don't tell me you just kind of bumped into this. It's so nice to find old friends joining in. Yep. So Pratiksha Rama, you know what? This is the time when you should be along with your family and your loved ones. You should really think, review and reevaluate if what you've been doing all along, is it right? And does the same thing need to be continued? A favorable assessment, in the sense you will find that no, what we have been doing maybe suited us then, but right now it doesn't suit us anymore, so we need to change. So what exactly you need to change? So probably you need to sit and revisit and reevaluate things, and that is going to really give you a good view on how to move forward in life. Because to move forward in life, you have to change certain things in life, Pratiksha. And what is coming to me is that yes, you are guided big time by angels, especially Archangel Jermail. Archangel Jermail is the one who helps you do the right assessment of all the things, and he is right there guiding you. I can see a lot of spirituality, a lot of abundance, a lot of love and affection, a sunny kind of a feeling. So please don't be scared to evaluate things, to think that no, this doesn't serve us anymore and we need to change it. Go ahead and renew your life so that you can move ahead to the next level. Yeah, yes, Anu Yadav, thank you so much for the guidance. Thanks, the pleasure is all mine. Have I overcome the challenges around my book launch, and am I on the right path? Yes, you have overcome your challenges around your book launch, but after the launch there might be some issue, Ratnaji. So for that you need to take some professional advice. Yes, you are on the absolute right path. Hey Shardul, thank you. Okay, so now this is the same name that was there up, which is in a different language, and I am unable to really read it, but I can read the question. Ma'am, I am Kriti Kuhelka, okay, from Assam. I want to know, will I be able to achieve my goal? Would you please read my card? Absolutely, okay. So that's Assamese, now I kind of understand. So let's see if Kriti, yes, Kriti is going to achieve her goal. You know what, yes, you are going to achieve your goal. This is a successful time for you, but at the same time what I also want to say is that you are going to enjoy life's little luxuries, you know, like small things that you love doing. So yes, it is a successful time, you will achieve your goal. At the same time, you're also going to find time to enjoy the finer and the tiny things that you like. Yeah, so yes, congratulations. Hey Vijeta, thank you so much. Glad that you had time today, or you could, you know, take care. Oh, hey, lovely book in the background. Is it? Which one is it? Okay, you'll mind. So that's Louis Hay for you. Yes, I just love her. For me, you know, it's like a Bible. Whenever something happens, if I enjoy something, I kind of, you know, just open it and see. And there are such nice gems of knowledge, so many beautiful affirmations, how to set things right. So yes, I love the book. Thank you so much. So that's the creative person's eye. Yeah, you can notice everything. Yes, so my question is, I am working on a project right now. What can I do to make it to a good one and make it stand out? Okay, that's a wonderful, to the point question. Let's ask the angels what exactly you can do. See, what I can see from the cards is that it is going to be very successful, hugely successful, and it's going to be remembered, you know. It's going to be something very solid. The recognition that you're going to get because of this project is going to be really solid. But you know what it is saying is that you might need to really put in some extra effort for this. The blockage is that, you know, there are some people who are going to some people very closely associated who are going to try and create a lot of conflict. But you being you, because you're a very sensitive person, that's coming out, you along with your friends and with your friendly attitude, you know, you'll be able to talk them out of it. And there are certain conflicts which are there amongst the people, and you'll be able to, you know, sort of resolve them very, very positively. Let me just take out. So, you know, this is a time when you are feeling that you are sort of trapped, or there is something really not working for you, and you are thinking of, you know, like 1, 2, 3 things, you know, like we do, this has to go this way, this has to run this way. But no, that is not what has to be done. You have to think out of the box, and you are probably being overtly concerned about the process part of it. The process does not need to be thought about at this time. You need to put your ego self aside, you need to put your conscious mind aside, you need to just allow your creative juices to flow, and do not give food to you know, your negative or fear based thoughts, because they are going to do no good at all. But as I said, yes, there are some people around who are definitely trying to create conflict, but you have good talking skills. You can talk and you can really overcome it. At the same time, as I said, the first card was like successful. Yeah, so you can look this up, and then, you know, this 2 of water came up, and then I looked up this card. Yes, Vijeta, so I'm showing this because yes, you are learning how to read the cards, so it's very important that you can delve deep into them and see what they have to say. There's just a warning for you, Vijeta. Do not get overtly attached to this project of yours, because that is what has come out as a central card, and that's what I'm worried about now for you. Yeah, so take good care of yourself. Yes, Lalita Seturaman, I am absolutely fine. Thank you so much. I hope you are good too. Yeah. Hi Neha Sharma, thank you so much. Good evening. Yes, Lalita, when will I meet my life partner? Can you guide, please? Of course, let's ask the archangels what do they have to say. As I said, not more than 4 months. I won't really put this validity for more than 4 months, but let's see what exactly they have to say. So yes, the card that comes out is that probably you know, you're thinking too much, you're thinking too much. You need to be a little realistic, and you need to objectively make decisions. When you will meet, maybe you might take some time, but you know, at the same time, right now what you need to do is clear away that no longer serves you. There is a lot of clearing of backlogs that you have to do. There are a lot of emotional conflicts, there is a lot of emotional baggage that you are carrying, Lalita, that you need to kind of throw out before you can allow a new energy to come in. So definitely what you can do is keep a sunstone by your side. Keep a sunstone and allow this sunstones glitter and shine, and the purpose sort of seep into you. It will really help you. Yeah. Yes, Timsi Rati Bandari, thank you so much. Good evening. Devanshi T, hi. Malina Narayan, my eldest son plans to join a new job in Bangalore from January. Should he? Okay, that's a lovely, to the point, direct question, and I think these questions are answered the best. So it would have helped if we knew a name, but then that's absolutely fine. So here is a card that pops up. Yes, absolutely, he should join. Go ahead. It's going to be a good success, big success. Yes, Molina, and I need a party. Yes, yes, Zoe Bola, awesome, thank you. Oh, thank you, great for your continued guidance. You are always so helpful. Thank you so much, Zoe. Sarvajit Kaur, good evening. Please do aura reading for my husband, Maninder Singh. Okay. So yes, I can see his solar plexus and his heart chakra. They are a little out of sync from the other chakras. I think उन्हें कोई चीज़ परेशान कर रही है, and he is not able to put it across to the people जिनसे वो परेशान हो रहे हैं. This is like this, or how to do, how exactly he's not understanding how to put it across to them, and so that he can resolve the thing. And yes, there is a little bit of ego also involved, a little bit of self-confidence, feeling of stepping down that is there. So solar plexus is one place where there is ego, there is self-confidence, hari vari kari as we call it. We want all the things to happen. Our relationship with the world is managed through the solar plexus. At the same time, our heart chakra talks about giving and receiving love. So yes, these are the two areas that he needs help in. So yellow is the stone. Citrine you can always keep with your husband in his pocket, in his wallet, or in the house near him. You can give him yellow drinks to have, like Santra, Musambi, Kinu, Nibu, or he can wear something yellow. At the same time, green. I always say look at the greens, or probably visualize that you're walking in a forest. That would be the best for your husband, Sarvajit. Yeah. Yes, Devanshi team, ma'am, please tell me about my mother's aura reading. Is she going to be fine regarding her health? Her name is Madhulata. Okay, so Devanshi, the thing is, when we read an aura, we only read what are the imbalances right now, and there is nothing like if she is going to be all right, she's going to be fine by her health. Aura reading tells you about the energetic value of today, of now. Yeah, so I feel that your mother Madhulata definitely has an issue in her lungs, or in her heart. It is the heart chakra. It can also be arms, because very easily we forget that our heart chakra extends from our chest, lungs to the arms. So yes, there is issue with the heart chakra. That is, now you can always give Reiki or energy to the heart chakra. At the same time, her root chakra definitely needs a lot of support. So the root chakra, the color red, you can ask her to wear something red, or she can have carrot, she can have food which is in red color. You can keep something red within her area of vision. As I said, even green. So yes, these two places are definitely impacted as far as her aura is concerned. But what I also see is her entire aura looks a little inflamed, or you can say also in low vibration. So yes, do take care of her, keep her hydrated, and keep her spirits high. Yeah. Yes, Neha Sharma, ma'am, any message from my deceased husband, Inder Mohan Sharma? Okay, let's see. Is there any book that you are reading? And if not, he is urging you to read some books or some papers. If there are some contracts that you need to sign, or if there are certain agreements that you need to renew or something, please look at the papers. He is urging you. He is showing me papers. So there is something either with the books, if you aren't reading, or you were supposed to read, or you were going to read and you have been putting it aside. Please look into that. Or if there are some papers that need to be reviewed, please do that. Yeah, Neha, great. So now we take the last question of the evening. It's already 5:50. Yes, Yes, Nikki Grewal. Forgot to mention that you are looking gorgeous in yellow and with the bindi. Oh, thank you so much, Nikki Grewal. I know generally after the entire question and all, people just go away. Thank you so much for stopping by and giving me a compliment. Thank you so much. I think my life is more richer because of people like you who stop by to appreciate people. That really warms my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you for your guidance. Yes, thank you. Pleasure is all mine. Yes, so the last question for today evening. Hi Aditi, I wish to start an activity center for children and women at my study center. Please guide if it will be successful. This is such a wonderful idea and such a lovely thing, about children and moms together. So let's see what the angels have to guide you. Rolly. Yes, Rolly. So, you know what, the idea is absolutely bang on. It's very, very good. But you know what, you need to really think more about it. There is something more. There is something probably that you're missing out, or you're not really putting it into practice, something that you're holding on. At the same time, there are certain fears that are engulfing you regarding this project. So the card that is coming out is, please put those fears aside. Please put those fears aside. This idea is good. All that you need to do is you need to find out. There are some people who are out there to sabotage this entire project, or there are some people out there who are working that this should not really come off. And I think you will know them if you sort of are into meditation, because the card is saying that you will get good psychic insights. Let me look at another thing. Yes, you know what, you are a very soulful person. You are a nurturer. You want to build things. आपका दिल है, आप दिल से काम करते हो, आप बड़े इमोशनल हो, बड़े टेंडर हार्टेड हो, यू वेरी लविंग. सो द प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इज रियली वेरी क्लोज टू योर हार्ट एंड you want to do it, regardless of the money or the financial thing. You really want to do it. But at the same time, what is coming out is that instead of really looking at help from others or trusting other people for their guidances, you need to trust your own intuition. And this is the second card that has come out, which talks about that. So yes, there are certain things, there are certain things that are happening behind the scenes which you do not know, really. So either you need to wait to launch this project, or if you have already launched, you need to start looking at things from a different perspective, because only then you will get answers. There is going to be a certain standstill in this whole thing. Yeah, but don't worry, it's very important to stick to your things, to know that if this is the battle to fight for. So yes, I think you really need to work it out on your own, and at the same time look at the traditional standpoint, how it needs to be done, what should be done. So yes, what is coming out is definitely that give yourself time to think about what exactly is it that you want in this. It's not only 1 2 3, there are a lot of things that are going behind the scenes. So you take time out. It will be successful, but this is going to take time. You need to still put in a lot of your creative mind at work. Yeah, Rolly, I hope I've answered your question. And yes, by this we want to end today's session. But as I've always said, I'll be there next Thursday 5 p.m. right here on this very page. Do take out time to help me do my Guru Seva to my beloved Saiji. Thank you so much for today, and in advance I am wishing you a very happy and a healthy Navratra. Please do take care of yourself. And yes, if you feel, you can definitely join us on the Navratri Naman program that we are going to do from 16th of October to 25th of October. Yeah, along with the Jap Mala that we are going to all do together on Ashtami from 4 to 5 p.m. Yes, so bye bye and see you all.